Last night, I struggled again with my battery of my car. It's becoming a bit more regular occurrence now, so I have to get that checked. But late last night, like 8 o'clock last night, we had to go to the shop quickly as I wanted to put on the car. Car's dead. And you know what happens. Okay, now we push, we learn how to kickstart it in second. We know that car's dead, battery is dead, it refuses. A family drives past and they stop. The the woman, the Tanny, and the three kids climb out and they immediately want to help. They pull out the jumper cables and they help, and they want to try and kickstart the car, let it idle with their car bit. Jumping cables does nothing. My car's dead. It goes vroom, vroom. And then the first thing that goes through your mind is, oh, here comes money. Um, and we tell them, listen, it's fine, it's really late. You guys can go home. We'll make a plan. Thank you so much for helping. And they're like, are you sure? We say yes. And they go home and they leave us their number and they say, listen, if you need anything, phone us. We'll try and help somehow. And we are so thankful. And my sister was with me, and I'm like, man, let's just try once more. And we push the car to the front. Nothing. It's even more dead than before. And then I tell my sister, let's try it one more time, pushing it backwards. And as we were doing that, a guy, or was about to do that, a guy walks past from, I presume he works at Shell because he's got a Shell jacket on, Shell beanie, and he's like, and he quickly, he doesn't even ask, he just jumps in and helps us push it. And as they start pushing it backwards, car kicks in reverse, and it starts. And again, I'm realizing that South Africans actually, we're one of the countries with the most beautiful hearts of people. We we take care of people. When we see someone in need, we always try and help them if it's within our means. Um, and this goes beyond color. This goes beyond black and white and Indian and colored. And South Africans by heart is a ridiculously beautiful country. Um, yeah, I wanted to say thank you to South Africa today. It's not always comfortable when you're sitting in a position and something breaks and you need to look at other people for help and stuff. Um, it's not always lacquer, but to know there's always just someone around a corner that's willing to just quickly give you a hand, give you a push, be there for you. Thank you, South Africa.